Hi guys, this is Avais again, back with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about two commands. First one is the break and the second break at point. So the break command, it actually breaks any object between 2 points. Break at point, it breaks any object at the point. So let's have a look at the first break command. I'll click on that and now it's going to ask me to specify my object. Let's say I want to break this line. If I click here and move my cursor, as you can see it started breaking from there. The problem with this method is it's not accurate. You cannot specify the accuracy. So I'm gonna go and undo this. I'm gonna show you how you can break between 2 points with accuracy. So start a command, BR, spacebar, select the object, and now down here on the command line, as you can see, I've got option here, first point. So let's say I click here, and because of my object snapping is on, so I can snap to this endpoint. So I start from here and I can go to the mid. Okay, to select the midpoint, press shift, hold, right click and go midpoint, and now you can see that you got the midpoint there, and I click here. So that's how you can break with accuracy. Let's undo this. I'm gonna draw 2 lines. There's 2 ways to get rid of these 2 middle lines. I can trim and I can use break at point. Well, there's a lot of ways to get the job done, but in this video I'm talking about break at point and break commands, so let's do that way. I'll select this object and I'll stack my first point. It's because that line is intersecting to my main object, so I can press shift, right click, select intersection, zoom in a little bit, and I can just start from here to there. And I could trim that. I can show you how to trim this command easy, but there's a lot of ways to get the job done. The main point is you need to get the job done, doesn't matter how you do it. Okay, now let's have a look at the break at point command. I'll go and select break at point, and I'm going to break this line. It's going to ask me select the object, so I select this line, and now it's going to ask me specify first break point. So my object snapping is on and I want to select the middle point, so I go press shift, right click, midpoint, and I can click here. And now if I select my line, as you can see that line has been broken into 2 pieces. Okay, so now let's have a look at the break command again. I'll go and select the break command and I want to break this line. If I click about here and move my cursor, as you can see it started breaking the line. But there's a shortcut key if you don't want to leave a gap. Let's say with break command I can even break at point as well. So I'll type shift at symbol and then enter, and now I'm going to go and select my line. As you can see that break command didn't leave any gap, but it still broke my line into 2 pieces. Okay, so now let's have a look at the join command. What it does is it rejoins the object. If let's say I broke this line between these 2 pieces, right? I'll go and select this line. As you can see I've got 2 pieces. I have to select them separately. So go to the modify panel and there you go, you got the join command there. So I click here and now it's gonna ask me select a source object or multiple objects. So I select this line. I want to join this line to this line, and I click enter, and there you go. If I select this line, now it's been rejoined. I can even rejoin these 2 lines. I type join, press spacebar, and I select the first object, that one, the second one, and I hit spacebar. As you can see that this line's been joined as well. So to bring my drawing back where it was, I'll go join this line as well. Okay, so I'll erase these. Okay, that was about it. Join and break commands. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers.